So, we've decided to ride bikes across the US. It's my friend Bridget. We're starting in Yorktown, Virginia, and hoping to make it there in 90 days. So we actually got invited to stay at a church from a lady we met online. They allow cyclists to come in and basically write in a book, tell their story, and they even provide a place for us to sleep with air conditioned showers and a full kitchen, fully stocked for cyclists. Up, we're out here in Knoxville, Tennessee. This is Amber from Warm Showers. Yeah, we've tried.
Hello.
Thank you for showing us around, and awesome smiles. We're out here at Lily Pad Hop Yard Brewery in Lansing, Tennessee. Really small place, as you can see, with the makeshift cans. There's the hops over there. There's the little setup. Pretty cool. Finding somewhere to camp. Gotta say, it's quite remarkable. No complaints here. These guys must smell like cooking. Gets them excited. I'd get excited too if I smelled this ham. So we're out here camping beside a gas station, and a girl just pulls up and hands us this $2 and says, I know it's not much, but hopefully this will help you guys get where you're going. So no matter if you're from the north or the south, small towns, that's where it's at. So last night we called around to a few churches here in Lebanon, Tennessee. Didn't seem like anybody wanted to let us stay, so we put our bikes up into the rafters up there. Welcome to Nashville.
Again, you have a good view of it over there on the other side. And this is our Nissan Titans Stadium football.
We're out here at the Tennessee State Museum in Nashville, and I'm struggling to see all these exhibits. So we're out here in Clarksville, Tennessee. We met a couple on Warm Showers, which is basically a website for bikers to stay for free and stuff. They have tons of bike knowledge and a BMX track in the backyard.
It was at this moment that he knew he f***ed up.